Crash course on Rhode Island State, USA. Geographical location: Rhode Island is located in the New England region of the United States. It is the smallest state in terms of land area and is situated in the northeastern part of the country. Rhode Island is bordered by Connecticut to the west and Massachusetts to the north and east, with the Atlantic Ocean to the south. Capital: the capital city of Rhode Island is Providence. Population: Rhode Island has a population of approximately 1.1 million people, making it the second most densely populated state in the country. Economy: Rhode Island's economy is diverse, with sectors such as healthcare, education, manufacturing, and tourism playing significant roles. The state is known for its jewelry, silverware manufacturing industry and has a strong maritime tradition. Education: Rhode Island is home to several esteemed educational institutions, including Brown University, Rhode Island School of Design, RISD, and the University of Rhode Island. These institutions contribute to the state's vibrant intellectual and artistic communities. Brief history: Rhode Island has a rich history dating back to the early colonial period. Founded by Roger Williams in 1636, the state was a haven for religious freedom and played a prominent role in the American Revolution. Rhode Island was the first colony to declare independence from Britain. Cultures: Rhode Island has a diverse cultural heritage influenced by its early settlers and immigrants. The state embraces its maritime history, with a strong fishing and sailing tradition. Rhode Islanders take pride in their local cuisine, including clam chowder, lobster rolls, and johnny cakes. Politics: Rhode Island has a history of progressive politics, often leaning towards the Democratic Party. The state has a strong tradition of grassroots activism and has been at the forefront of social and political movements. Interesting stories/examples: One interesting story from Rhode Island's history is the tale of Gaspee Affair. In 1772, colonists in Rhode Island burned the British customs ship, HMS Gaspee, in protest against its aggressive enforcement of trade regulations. This act of defiance became an important event leading up to the American Revolution. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions in Rhode Island. 1. The Breakers. Visit this grand mansion in Newport, built during the Gilded Age and serving as a symbol of the Vanderbilt family's wealth and opulence. 2. Cliff Walk. Take a scenic walk along the coastline of Newport, enjoying breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and admiring the historic mansions that line the route. 3. Waterfire Providence. Experience the enchanting spectacle of waterfire, an art installation featuring over 80 bonfires lit on the surface of the Providence River, accompanied by music and performances. 4. Roger Williams Park Zoo. Explore this family-friendly zoo in Providence, home to a wide variety of animals and featuring beautifully landscaped grounds. 5. Newport Mansions. Tour other magnificent mansions in Newport, such as Marble House, The Elms, and Rosecliff, showcasing architectural splendor and rich history. 6. Block Island. Escape to this picturesque island off the coast of Rhode Island, known for its pristine beaches, scenic trails, and charming New England atmosphere. 7. Providence Performing Arts Center. Catch a Broadway show or live performance at this historic theater, renowned for its stunning architecture and world-class productions. 8. Rhode Island School of Design Museum. Immerse yourself in art and design at this renowned museum in Providence, featuring a diverse collection of works from various periods and cultures. 9. Beavertail State Park. Enjoy panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean and the iconic Beavertail Lighthouse in the scenic park located in Jamestown. 10. Slater Mill Historic Site. Discover the birthplace of the American Industrial Revolution at this historic site in Pawtucket, showcasing the first successful cotton spinning factory. 11. Providence Children's Museum. Engage children in interactive exhibits and hands-on activities that promote learning and creativity at this popular museum in Providence. 12. Colt State Park. Relax in the natural beauty of this coastal park in Bristol, offering picturesque views, walking trails, and picnic areas. In summary, Rhode Island captivates visitors with its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning coastal landscapes. From exploring grand mansions and art museums to enjoying scenic walks and island getaways, there is something for everyone in the Ocean State. Poem. In the heart of New England lies a gem so small. Rhode Island, a state with charm that enthralls. From Providence's bustling city streets to coastal landscapes where beauty meets. A history rich with tales of old, where Roger Williams sought freedom bold. Gatsby affair sparked revolutionary fire. In Rhode Island, rebellion would inspire. Majestic mansions grace Newport's shore, reminders of opulence from days of yore. Cliffwalk's path unveils a scenic view, where waves crash and dreams come true. Waterfire ignites the river with light, a magical spectacle that enchants the night. Roger Williams Park Zoo brings joy and delight, as animals play in the sun's warm light. Artistry flourishes at RISD's embrace. Museum exhibits that leave you amazed. Block Island's shores, a tranquil retreat, where sandy beaches and nature meet. Providence's theater scene comes alive, performances that make hearts thrive. Slater Mill reveals the industrial age's dawn, a testament to innovation that lives on. Beavertail State Park, a coastal retreat, with lighthouse standing strong and neat. Children's Museum sparks young minds, with play and discovery that forever binds. Colt State Park offers nature's reprieve, where tranquility and beauty interweave. Rhode Island, a state with treasures to behold, a tapestry of stories, both new and old. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of New England, a state so small, Rhode Island's charm enchants us all. From Providence's streets to the coastal breeze, a place where beauty and history sees. Chorus. Rhode Island, a jewel on the east, where legends and tales never cease. From mansions grand to waters aglow, Rhode Island's wonders continue to show. Verse 2. Newport's mansions, a sight to behold, whispers of luxury from stories of old. Cliffwalk's path reveals nature's grace, with ocean's embrace and a scenic trace. Chorus. Rhode Island, a jewel on the east, where legends and tales never cease. From mansions grand to waters aglow, Rhode Island's wonders continue to show. Bridge. Waterfire's glow lights up the night, a mystical spectacle, a mesmerizing sight. Roger Williams Park Zoo brings joy to all, with animals playing, having a ball. Chorus. Rhode Island, a jewel on the east, where legends and tales never cease. From mansions grand to waters aglow, Rhode Island's wonders continue to show. Verse 3. Artistry flourishes at RISD's door, inspiration in every brushstroke and more. Block Island's shores, a tranquil retreat, a paradise where nature's rhythms beat. Chorus. Rhode Island, a jewel on the east, where legends and tales never cease. From mansions grand to waters aglow, Rhode Island's wonders continue to show. Outro. Rhode Island, a tapestry of history and delight, a place where dreams take flight. Come and explore its treasures untold. Rhode Island welcomes you, forever bold. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.